We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Welcome to Cleanblend. We believe that eating clean should be fun and affordable, and that's why we developed this versatile blender with the same capabilities as the high-priced professional alternatives, but at 1/2 to 1/3 the price. After 18 months of research, we cracked the code and introduced our first Cleanblend blender. With variable control and pulse features, you can blend up the whole fruit or vegetable, stalk, skin, and stems into a perfectly smooth creation. But the Cleanblend does so much more than just make amazing smoothies. We use it to whip up delicious homemade nut butters in less than a minute, or wholesome soups from scratch. And even desserts, like beautiful sorbets and frozen yogurts that are as good for you as they are delicious. With a 4.5-star Amazon rating and overwhelmingly positive reviews, we're really proud of our creation. Our 5-year warranty and personal Cleanblend commitment ensure there's no reason not to try it. Try it for 30 days, and if you're not 110% satisfied, return it, no questions asked. We'll even pay for you to ship it back to us. If you're like us, you want to live a healthier, more active life, and that's why we made the Cleanblend affordable. Thanks for watching, and we hope to hear about your amazing creations soon.
Introducing the largest, most powerful Ninja kitchen system yet. This professional quality powerhouse handles limitless tasks in seconds, freeing you to focus on cooking, serving, and savoring. There are so many functions to the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, including frozen blending, food processing, complete juicing, and dough mixing, all in one unit. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a powerful kitchen tool that enables anyone to rule the kitchen. Now let me walk you through what's included with your Ninja Mega Kitchen System. The extra large 72-ounce pitcher is a multitasking pitcher, specially designed with a superior blade system that creates a powerful vortex, providing the smoothest blended ingredients and nutritious complete juices in seconds. Our single-serve blending cups offer the professional high-power performance of the full-size blender, now in single-serve blending cups. Create personal health drinks to go. Our 8-cup processor bowl with a generous 8-cup capacity, features unbeatable food processing with a 4-stack blade system, and equips home bakers with a range of high-performance features for fast, efficient dough mixing by just inserting this dough blade. We've equipped you with an instruction booklet, a quick start guide, and an inspiration guide that features quick tips and delicious recipes. There's so much power and so much versatility in this unit. It's a true asset to any kitchen. Some of you might have received our 3-cup mini prep bowl. If you didn't, you can easily order it online at ninjamegakitchen.com.